Okay, had this years. Big tub, all will be revealed. Microwave. Full power. 20 seconds, just see what happens. Just put it back in for 40 seconds. Didn't melt. I'm trying to melt it and you'll see why in a minute. It's actually not doing anything. That's weird. Right, plan 2. Boiling water. Plonk petroleum jelly in boiling water. Okay, that seems to be working. That's better. You're probably thinking, he's gone bonkers. No, you'll see in a minute. Oh, nearly done. Right. Okay. 1 more minute. This is just an experiment. If it doesn't work, then you can laugh at me. Okay, so question, why did petroleum jelly melt in the microwave? I would have thought it would have done. Okay, outside in the garden. Put them on a chair. Undo the lid. Get a bag of sweets. Joking. And what I'm making is petroleum jelly fire starters. Now I don't know how many I'm going to need. I'm going to just put them in and then get a bit of a stick. This is the first time I've ever done this. I've done it by hand and it's a really messy job. So let's see if I can do it this way. Of course you can't do this with a full jar. You can only do it with... So let's try this. I suppose I'll put some more in. Okay, let's just have a look what that looks like. I'll have to put you down for a second because I can't get the lid off. Oh. Might try just a couple more. I think we're almost out of petroleum jelly, and then you let them cool and they should set quite hard. Okay, so I'll leave it upside down for a bit. If I can get any more, I'll put about another 5 cotton buds in there. And we'll have a look in a second. And then of course there's only what did you see? About that much left of petroleum jelly in here, so I'll leave them in the tub. I'll take them down the cabin and use them straight out of the tub. Just give it a second, we'll have another look in a minute. Alright, you can see there's still a couple of light coloured ones inside. Give that a good shake. Okay, so I'm going to get a stick and I'm going to sort of squeeze a bit and see if I can get them all soaked in petroleum jelly. That one, but the other ones seem to have taken. Can you see? Probably not, but I'll leave them in there and let them soak it up. And that's it, a hack. Last time I did it, I just dipped them in. I just got really covered in Vaseline on my fingers and just did it by hand, but this is 10 times quicker. So you can actually empty some out, put them into another container, heat that up and just keep adding cotton balls. Now I think these were next to nothing, 250. So you can see I've used quite a bit. So I have to order some more petroleum jelly. Okay, if you like the hack and the vid, give it a thumbs up, subscribe over there, next video over here. Take care, catch you in the next vid. Thanks for watching. Just show you what a good fire starter this is, so I can do it from a distance. A bit closer. I was about a foot away. There's the rod. That, and that's not soaked in petroleum. That was one of the bits on the top which was just lying there. So, yeah, good hack. There you go. Better be careful because I don't want the chickens. They'll eat this. You know what chickens are like? Have anything. Oh. Brilliant fire starting bit of kit. Petroleum jelly and a cotton ball. Look at that. Cheers.